Napakalaking karma nito sa China. Nuclear armed submarine ng Chinese Navy lumubog. Kitang-kita sa litratong iniaangat to sa ilalim ng dagat. Partida wala pang kalaban yan ha, lumubog na. Sinong hindi magtataka? Gawang China, peke, fake. Ito siguro ang dahilan ba't takot na takot ang China sa simpleng ballistic missile ng US Army. Baka kasi yung ipinapakitang ballistic missile ng China fake rin. Malalaki lang talaga. Panawagan ng panawagan ang China ang alisin ng US missile sa Pilipinas. Pero buwelta at pagpalag ni Defense Secretary Gibo Teodoro, lumayas mula kayo sa West Philippine Sea at sirain nyo rin ang missile nyo, papayag kaming alisin to.
Why don't they look at their own offensive missile capabilities and remove it, destroy their nuclear weapons, and vacate, mischief-free, and get out of the West Philippine Sea? So I wonder why such is the case, and it's a part of the disingenuous robotic propaganda of China once again.
Masyadong pakialamero ang China. Wala daw karapatan ang Chinang diktahan ang bansang hindi naman nila mga tuta. Hindi alipin ng mga Chinese ang mga Pilipino. So wag umasta ang Chinang parang bossy. Karapatan raw ng Pilipinas ang magpalakas ng kakayahang depensahan ang sarili nito at wala raw pakidoon ang China.
Why are they picking on a country which is seeking to strengthen its credible deterrent posture while they have full offensive ballistic and other capabilities? And how can a country which is seeking to protect its exclusive economic zone from unlawful aggression be a cause of instability in the Indo-Pacific area?
Itigil na rin raw ng China na tayo ang sinisisi nila sa pagpapalala ng tensyon. Sino ba ang gumawa ng military base sa South China Sea? Sino ba ang nambubuli? Bago daw magkomento ang China, tignan muna nila ang sarili nila. Napakawalang kwenta raw kasi ng pinagsasabi ng Chinese Foreign Ministry.
Who started the arms race? Who built an island in the West Philippine Sea, in the Mischief Reef? And why aren't they condemning the other ASEAN countries with 4% GDP, defense GDP spending? So why target the Philippines? So if they're throwing stones right now, let them remove their nuclear arsenal, withdraw from places that they're not supposed to be. West Philippine Sea, maybe China is in other areas where they should not be. They're even training on the border of Poland, which the Polish foreign minister told me they don't like. And Russia is in places it should not be either. So before they make a comment here, why don't they do the right thing first?
Mainit-init si Secretary Gibo. Di natatakot kahit anong sabihin ng China. Kayo, tama naman diba? Kung ayaw ng Chinang gumiyera, lumayas sila. Di siguro matanggap na papalag tayo sa China kahit gaano pa sila kalakas. Ano sa palagay niyo? Komento sa baba ang inyong salobi.